Alright, here's tonight's video. Finally got the skewers made up. So we've got chicken, beef and lamb. So the first ones to go on the barbecue, the Ziggy 3, is going to be the chicken. What do we usually do? Get the old Spanish extra virgin olive oil out. Give it a nice blast. Ooh yeah, motherfucker! Rightio, let's get some chicken on this fucker. Look at that, nice and thick, fresh veggies. This one here is actually paprika. Chuck these on. Yep, beautiful. A little mini one. Another one there. Yeah, sizzling straight away. Ready for the burn. About 6 or 7 of these ones to cook up. So I've made these nice and fresh tonight. First attempt in making bigger skewers. I've made some in the past, but not this big or this scale. I'm gonna give them a nice blast with the oils. Nice blast. Give it a quick rotation. It's probably going to cook fairly quick. There, rotation. And while I'm at it, I'll set these burners down nice and low. So it's going to be indirect heat. Nice and low and slow. Always makes a nice cook up. Pack these kind of tight. So what I'm going to do here, I've got to get the flames going. It's just not a barbecue with the flames. So burn, motherfucker, burn, motherfucker, burn, burn, motherfucker, burn, motherfucker, burn, burn, motherfucker, burn, motherfucker, burn. Yeah. Right. Couple spins, bit of heat. Close the lid for a bit. And we'll get back to it. Alright, so we're gonna do a quick flip on these. These are cooking nice and slow. Just gonna do rotation, get a nice bit of brownness into these. They kind of look like they're a bit Chinese here, like looking like Chinese food. But quite gourmet and yummy. We won't give a flame yet. We'll give a flame when I flip them back over, right near the end. Yeah, look at that. Very yummy. Yum, yum, eat, skewer, eat, big chicken, eat, yum, yum, food, cook the skewer, eat, yum. I'll close the lid for a little bit longer. Give that about another 10 more minutes, and she's cooking around 100 degrees now. I'll let the lid warm back up. She should be up to around about 150 to 180. Yummy. Yeah, so a quick progress video of how we're looking. So nice and slow and low. They're actually looking really nice. So the first attempt of doing these, this was actually a paprika breast packet of chicken from Woolies. Straight with the sticks, with the green, red and yellow peppers. With some onion. Look at that nice sizzle. And they're not too messy compared to the ones I get from the butchers usually. So give it a little bit more fluid. I don't want to go in too dry. The sticks actually, you can smell the sticks burning, but that's alright. Just smells like bamboo. Yeah, you get a nice sizzle. Locking that flavour. That lovely extra virgin olive oil. Spanish. Woolies should be starting to bloody support my channel because I always advertise this oil. So Woolies, anyone from Woolies who views this, sponsor me if you want. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to close the lid again, and in the next part you'll see these come straight off the grill. Probably looking at least about another 10-15 minutes, so yeah. Yeah, I kind of let them go a little bit longer on the but they are still nice. A little bit overcooked, but yum. Very nice.